Hi guys, it is Apple Expert here again in another video. Today we have a customer call us asking what the price of replacing an iPad battery. Then he came in, and when he came in, we tried to put the battery on charge, but it was not charging and it was not powering on. So I asked him, how did you know that the battery is the issue? He said because it's not charging. Then after a little bit of testing, we figure out it's the charging port issue. Let's show you that. So here's the iPad. No physical damage available. It's an iPad, I think 8. So let's put the charger in. Trying to do this with the one hand. So as you see here, we have a meter. If it charges, it will show charging, but it shows nothing, and it's like a little bit, I feel it cracked. So we will show you how we will fix that. Now we have to change the charging port. It is part of the motherboard. I'll show you here under microscope. Here's my tweezer. So here you see, if we flip it, see that's part of the motherboard. So why they do it part of the motherboard, soldered, so you don't change it, but we do. We don't have to change just the iPad because the charging port doesn't work and it's part of the motherboard. So again, this is the customer that called asking about to replace the battery, because when it did not turn on, he assumed it's a battery issue, and he kept insisting when he came in, oh, change the battery. Then when I told him it's not the battery, it's the port. Just trying to look for my wood here. Yeah, as you see, I'll just clean him. I'll clean that after part here, then it will be like brand new. You see here, nice solder. So here's the motherboard. We just did the solder. I just put the tape in there. I will just connect it temporarily to test it is working and power on. This is one of the things that many customers call us. Oh, how much to change the screen? How much to screen is not a problem, but how much to basically change a battery? Then they assume it is a battery, but it's just easier here at Apple Expert. Easier to come like here at Apple Expert, we don't charge for diagnosis. You just walk in the store, we tell you what it is exactly. It's always good to check and have a second opinion anyway. I think I put the wrong screw here. Okay, installed. I will not install the digitizer because I don't care about the touch functionality now. I just want the thing to turn on. Just flip my camera. Okay, so let's power up. So I just connected it. Oh, Apple logo. See here, this is what I'm talking about. We did not have the charging feature before. After we changed the port, Again, this is the end of like today's video. We showed how we successfully took apart an iPad, changed the charging port, put it back together. We will do the rest of the like proper assembly and the cleaning offline. If you need any help with your MacBook, iMac, iPhone, iPad repairs or data recovery, or any external hard drive, or even if Windows machines, don't hesitate to contact us or walk in our store located at 1504 14th Street Southwest. We offer a free diagnostics on the spots without charge, like we don't charge for them. We stock majority of the parts. We offer the longest warranty in the market, 6-month warranty, and pass by, we'll help you. Thanks.